Hey guys, welcome to Midnight Kitchen. So today we're making some vegan veggie patties and a side of white rice, okay? So first thing, I have the zucchini, an onion, and then I did have pre-made broccoli that I will also be using, okay? So I'm just gonna chop these two things up. Alright, so we have the zucchini, I chopped it up. You can also grate it if you have a cheese grater. I just chopped it up really thinly. I added a bell pepper, just whatever vegetables you have laying around, honestly. You know, it's quarantine, who knows what you have in your kitchen. And I chopped up some onions, and then I did make a lot of broccoli yesterday, so I am using this broccoli as well, okay? So we're gonna saute everything, and I will add the broccoli at last. So you can use any type of oil, but I like grapeseed oil, so I will use a little bit of grapeseed oil, or a lot. Okay. And go the onions. The sizzling noise. And all my veggies. Okay. Mix them up a little in there. And then we're gonna season them. Alright, so for the spices, I will use some black pepper and salt. You can use the thin or the grinder one, for whatever you want. And if you like garlic, I would use garlic salt as well. Alright, and any spices that you like. This one is basically up to you, but a little bit of garlic salt and black pepper are the main things. I do like parsley flakes. Parsley in there. And since this will be going in a batter, I want to put a lot of spices in this. And onion powder too. These are just things that I like to put on my recipe. Garlic powder as well. And like I said, anything that you want, just give it a nice mixture. A little bit of ground sage. A little bit of Larry. And then mix it all really well. And you want to cook this until everything is basically golden brown. Okay, so I'll just keep doing that. So the veggies have cooked. I added the broccoli and now let this sauteed. I added more spices so the broccoli can get more spices in there. And now it's all done. Okay, it's cooked enough. I don't want it to get burnt. And then on this pan over here, I'm gonna add some oil. I will put peanut oil because I'm gonna fry these suckers. And I'm gonna put the heat low so nobody gets burnt. Okay, so let that heat up. And then on this plate, I have just plain white flour. I'm gonna make patties with the broccoli, and then I'm gonna put it in a wash, and it's a chick flour garbanzo bean wash, so I'll get that going. So I added the garbanzo bean flour. It's like you're making pancakes, but you weren't really running pancakes basically. And added water, a little bit of salt and pepper, and now I'm just mixing it in. And right now it looks too watery, so I'm gonna put a little bit more powder, but you don't want this too thick either, because this garbanzo bean flour will thicken up on you on the pan really bad. So not too thick, but not too runny. So kind of just get rid of the clumps, like a good consistency, okay guys? So I'm gonna look a little ball, okay? And I'm gonna put my hands are wet, so I'm gonna put a little bit of flour so I don't get burnt. I think I'm still gonna get burnt, but like that. Okay. Then a little bit on top, like a patty. Remember, these are very crumbly because the zucchini is really moist. Okay. And then, oh my gosh, my hands burn. Then put it in the egg wash. And get ready for the splash, you guys, because this will splash. Hit camera guy. Okay. Try to keep them together as much as you can. if it ever happens where you lose some of the chickpea, you just put some on top with a spoon. The coating. And in about 3 minutes, I'll flip them over with their golden brown. And now let's show you guys. So after like 3 minutes of letting them cook here in the oil on low to medium heat, this is what this one looks like. And then I flipped up this one a little prematurely, but it's okay. So yeah, you guys, you know, flip them over when you feel like you want to. And that's really it, you guys. Just quick patties, you know, veggie patties. And then I'll show you me serving them with rice. Really simple and easy. If you don't have any of these vegetables, you can use carrots, you know, grated carrots, whatever you have in your pantry. I know right now we don't have a lot of luxury of picking what we want at the store, so this is how they came out, all crispy, and served with white rice or whatever you want. And now my husband's gonna give it a try and see what he thinks. I'm gonna be honest. Okay. It might be hot, but blow on it, okay? That bite. Ooh, nice. Is it good or what?
Excellent.
Yay!
Very good.
Thank you, honey. You take some veggies?
It's more rich in flavor than I would have guessed.
Yeah, well, God, who made
Kind
it?
of bursts with flavor right when you know, right when you start chewing it.
Good, babe.
Nice.
Thanks, honey. Well, I'm about to judge this.
Wait.
Alright, so Emma's gonna try this too, okay? So tell me if you like it. You like it? Yay? She likes it! Yay! So it is kid friendly, you guys.
Emma approved.
Yeah! Oh my
Alright.
gosh! Yes, baby!
All right, Emma.
I'm so sorry. Okay. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys like this recipe. I will post some of the ingredients on the description, and subscribe, okay? And stay safe, everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye. Yum.